We have more news coming in. Let's take a look at these developments. This is BJP's big defense of Bihar poll survey. Ghost voters must be purged, says the Saffron Party. BJP is rubbished RJD Congress vote loot charge. Survey war is an ongoing one, as we've seen. RJD could be boycotting elections, is what they've hinted at.
जिनकी मृत्यु हो गई है, डेथ हो गया है, उनका नाम कटना चाहिए कि नहीं? तो पहले डाटा बोलने के पहले जिन लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है उतना डाटा कम करके बोलना चाहिए। जिन लोगों का नाम 2 जगह मतदाता सूची में है, क्या एक मतदाता का नाम 2 जगह रहना चाहिए? तो उनको वो डाटा भी कम करके माइनस करके तब बोलना चाहिए। तीसरा ये कि जिन लोगों ने अपना पता दिया था कि हम इस पते पर रहते हैं और हम भारत के नागरिक हैं, और उस पता पर वो आदमी रहता ही नहीं है, इसका मतलब है कि ना तो वो वहाँ का स्थानीय निवासी है और ना उस गांव के मोहल्ले के लोग उसको जानते हैं। तो वैसे लोग भी करीब करीब 1 लाख लोग हैं। हमारा ये कहना है कि जब हम डाटा बोलते हैं तो डाटा बोलने के बाद हमको उन सब 3 चीज़ को माइनस कर देना चाहिए, उस पर कोई सवाल खड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए।
All right, so now the BJP, of course, has reiterated the charge that it is making that RJD and the opposition collectively are fearing a poll defeat. Charges of bias are unfair, and there are ghost voters that have to be removed from the poll list, and that's the reason why this exercise is important. I'm going to go across to Amit Bhardwaj for more details on that story. Amit, it's interesting, and I'm going to ask you about what a JDU MP has told you, talking about the difficulties in finishing the exercise. He really sounded like somebody from the opposition, saying that we're okay in principle, but this is problematic and time taken, and that's the reason why more time should have been given, isn't it?
Absolutely right, Sneha. And remember, this is a BJP ally, MP from Janata Dal United, and not also first timer. He is a seasoned politician from Banka constituency of Bihar, and he is saying that it took him 10 days, several visits to the national capital, back and forth between national capital and Bihar, in order to ensure that the SIR process for his family is completed. For instance, he said that I had to come back to the national capital, get signature of my wife, my daughter. When I went back, the BLO was not available, the photographs were required, so it took me a couple of rounds between Delhi and Bihar.